Burlington Chevrolet, and today we have our two most popular Silverado upgrades. We have the SCA Apex, and then we have the SCA Black Widow truck. Now let's get into what makes these two trucks so popular. So for the Apex, we have 20-inch wheels, and then we have General Grabber 35-inch all-terrain tires. The Apex also has smooth, color-matched fender flares. The Apex has custom leather interior. So the Black Widow has 20-inch matte black wheels and 35-inch BF Goodrich KO2 tires. And this Black Widow has a bolt-on style fender flare. The Black Widow has a performance exhaust upgrade. Black Widow also has a custom stitched headrest. So those were the big differences between the Apex and the Black Widow. Come to us. We're sure to have the best truck for you for work or play. For more information, go to burlingtonchevy.com.